Here's a 50-inch Casablanca XTR Panama. This fan is from March, I believe, of 2006. I picked this up off of Craigslist, I'd say about a month ago. I'm not too sure how much I paid for it. It was pretty cheap though. It's been sitting in my car for about the whole month. I just brought it inside today. I remember the guy, he said this has been kicking around his storage unit for a while, which is why some of the blades are bent up, because he stored it with the blades on. And there's also some corrosion on the metal parts, such as the pull chain, so I'm guessing there was some moisture either where this thing was installed or in the storage unit. And yeah, that's about all the specs on the fan. It's pretty basic for a Casablanca. It's a 4-speed model, so that kind of confuses me. There's the 4th speed. I guess that's low. And again, you can see the blades are out of clock due to the how it was stored. Mainly, I just kind of wanted this fan for the blades, so I can take the those Avalon blades that I have and put them on this, and put these blades on the Admin Touch Panama that I have, because some of the pull chain Casablancas, I heard they work a little bit better with the Avalon blades rather than the IntelliTouch or Admin Touch or whatever. But it's not bad. It's in pretty decent shape, other than a couple scratches on the down rod and on the switch cap, but that's about it. I guess it's a medium low. Again, it has that weird hum that a lot of these XTR Panamas have, just like some of the newer Hunters. I guess that's more of a medium high. The hum kind of quiets down when it gets up to higher speeds. Not really too sure why. It just does. Again, it's still a quality fan though. It's much better than what Home Depot and Lowe's sell today. Even though it has one of those, motors with no flywheel and no isolation ring. It's still not bad. And high. Shows a little bit of torque too, so I guess that's a good sign. Slight wobble, but it's okay. Make sure my camera doesn't run out of memory. There's the top. Pull chain. And that's really about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.